The ProMaster 7125 is the powerful and universal 5-axis CNC for your company. With generous working dimensions and a fully equipped machine package, the ProMaster 7125 is the perfect fit for your shop. You can select between 3,620, 4,520, or 5,420 millimeters working length in X direction with a working depth of 1,350 millimeters that can be reached by all drills and aggregates. The extreme machining height of a true 210 millimeter from the top of the vacuum cups is unmatched in its class. The extreme Z-lift of 565 millimeters is also ideal if long tooling is used. The optimized design of the cantilever arm was created by using the finite element analysis and is the perfect base for precision milled workpieces. It also allows for extreme acceleration and high feed speeds of the head. Coupled with precision servo direct drives, wear-free clutches, and steel band covered linear guideways that are covered by a 10-year warranty from HOLZHER. The extreme dynamics and high torque power of the heavy-duty liquid-cooled 12-kilowatt power spindle makes for perfect milling results and short cycle times. The integrated drill head has been optimized for fast line drilling on fixture and cabinet parts. It is even loaded with a groove cutting saw and a pressure booster for very hard surfaces. The machine software automatically optimizes the tooling sequences. A ride-along 18-position disc tool changer and the short tool changing times make for a highly flexible CNC. Depending on your needs, the ProMaster 7125 can be upgraded with up to 76 additional tool holders. The acclaimed leading and universal Campus NC HOPS software package makes for easy programming, even of complex parts. Thanks to a wealth of macros and supporting functions like easy snaps, free level selection, geometry functions, and many more. In addition, you can create fully parametric cabinet parts or doors with just a few mouse clicks. All programming levels are lined up clearly arranged and user-friendly. The integrated design and programming software, Cabinet Control Base, is delivered with the Office and the machine software and lets you design and create fixtures and cabinets, plus the matching CNC programs with just a few clicks. The Campus package also makes for easy loading of the machine table with several workpieces via drag and drop. The software is also recommending the ideal position of the vacuum cups. That can be positioned by help of the laser pointer within minutes. The parametrically programmed workpieces can even be automatically mirrored and turned. Ideal for serial production of cabinets or semi-finished products. With the Academy module, Campus is offering a fully working CAD program in its standard execution. enabling you to import and modify DXF files and create your own drawings with simple mouse clicks. The three-dimensional milling simulation of the CNC programs is standard and can be upgraded to a collision control for vacuum cups and consoles, ideal to preview the programs while still in the office. The automatic console positioning system X-Move is preparing the table setup by itself, making for higher efficiency and more machining capacity. The optional ceiling laser can indicate the position of all vacuum cups and the perfect location of irregularly shaped workpieces and arches, resulting in precision milled workpieces without having to invest money and time in angle aggregates and without retouching work. For utmost performance, the ProMaster 7125 can be equipped with a powerful 17 kilowatt spindle with its unique ProTorque technology. This spindle will impress you with its outstanding performance over the entire RPM range and by its intelligent software-controlled axis locking mechanism, making the ProTorque spindle ready for even highest chip loads, enormous cutting depths, and working with highest feed speeds while offering perfect surfaces and precision milling. Many different sizes and styles of vacuum cups and variable frame clamping systems can extend the ProMaster series for all tasks. For example, you can create perfect window and door components, even complicated 5-axis machining is made possible by the open interface of the Campus software to three-dimensional CAD/CAM programs of all leading third-party suppliers. HOLZHER uses the most energy-efficient motors and controllers, as well as the integrated Eco Mode software module for outstanding energy efficiency for all its CNC machining centers. Regarding the safety solutions and space requirements, the ProMaster series is offering you the option between wear-resistant safety mats or a safety bumper. The ProMaster 7125, unique in functionality and technology. Contact your HOLZHER dealer for a personalized product demonstration.